In this video, I'd like to talk about how to log messages into this output window down here so you can trace the steps of your robot in case troubleshooting is needed. If you're using the Orchestrator web application to control your robot, these logged messages will also accumulate within the Orchestrator log mechanism. And that logging mechanism is a component known as Elasticsearch. And while the Orchestrator allows you to view your logged items, when you get more advanced, you can use the Kibana web application to be able to search and provide insights from your various logged items. That's an advanced topic I'll cover in a separate course about AI. For now, let's just see how we can log a message into that output window. It's as simple as typing in log message up here, clicking and dragging that activity onto your workflow pane, connecting it up, and you can see it's telling us there's a value required, message was not supplied. So I'm clicking on this activity, and you can see in the properties window, it's an activity of type log message, and I have the ability to specify the level of this log message. It can be a trace, which is simply a trace of the steps your robot is performing. It can be informational, it could be a warning, or an error, or something fatal. And you can see that these are represented by different icons within the log itself, and you can filter them accordingly. So I'll leave this set as informational, and I'll open my double quotes to type a string here, and I'll just type in the user clicked the OK button. And that's all you need to do for logging a message. Again, you can change the label on this activity to whatever you want. And now, when I click the play button or use the F5 keyboard shortcut, the robot displays my dialog. I click on OK, and now the robot terminates. But now when you click down here on the Output tab, as long as all of these things are toggled on, we can see that the first message is show message box execution started. So you're always going to have those first and last log items in there, and it tells you that your robot started and finished. And the reason it says show message box is because our project is called show message box. The second log item is the user clicked the OK button. And of course, that's what we typed in here in our log message activity. If you click on this to toggle timestamps, you can see more information about the timestamps of when this stuff happened. You can see here at the top that it gives you an aggregated count of how many of each items exist. And if you toggle this off, they will go away. You toggle it back on, and now you see them. If you want to clear the log, you can simply click here on the Clear All button. So that's how you log messages into this output pane down here, and those log messages are eventually going to wind up in the Orchestrator logging mechanism.